going on, guys? It's your boy Javon, and we are back with It's your girl Shavon, and we are.
Boy, I'm gonna knock you out.
I'm savage.
Guys, as y'all can see by the title of this video, I'm going to be showing my boyfriend how to do the Savage Dance TikTok challenge.
I don't even know what is a Savage Dance TikTok challenge. I've never seen that TikTok before. Ever seen it before?
I think you see mine.
Oh, you did that one?
Yes, I did it like 4 times.
Oh, is it Savage, Ratchet, Cool,
Not even close. Okay, guys, I'm going to be showing him how to do this dance challenge, y'all. It took me about a couple of days to learn it myself.
Oh, yeah, so if it took you a couple of days, it probably wouldn't take me a year. Yeah, this might be a long time.
No, because I had to get back in the groove of dancing. Like, I haven't danced in a long time.
I never been in a groove, so I don't know the dance.
It's alright, I'm about to teach you.
You gonna teach me?
I'm going to teach you. I'm going to teach him how to do this dance. And then once I feel like he finally got it, I'm going to actually record it and post it on my TikTok. Guys, I've created myself a TikTok because I want to be a TikToker. So after I teach him and I feel like he got it, I'm going to post it on my TikTok. And my TikTok will be in the description below.
Oh, it's gonna be in the screen.
Or the screen. So y'all make sure y'all go and follow my TikTok. I do be posting on there sometimes. Well, I post
once a month.
No, I don't. I posted like 2 videos yesterday on there. Okay, guys, we're gonna get straight to this video. So let's go right now. Okay, I'm gonna let him hear the song first, so that way he can get an idea of what it sounds like and the beats and all that stuff. And then afterwards, I'm going to show him step by step. Hopefully, he'll get it, and hopefully we don't get copyrighted.
Look, man, all that's bluff. This is me right now. I know the dance. I can dance.
Okay.
I'm a ratchet. Yeah.
Okay. Listen.
That's what I'm gonna do? Man.
Okay, you ready?
That's a girl dance, bro.
No, it's not, but it's an everybody dance. Look.
Everybody dance who? Bro?
Okay, guys, I'm about to go ahead and show him.
10 years later.
Whatever. I had to let him see a couple videos so he can kind of get it, but...
I still ain't get it.
Okay, so it's I'm a savage.
Wait. You go too fast, bro. Come on.
I'm a savage. So do that. I'm a savage.
Wait.
So just,
I'm
a savage. Oh my gosh. Okay, come on, do it.
Come on.
I'm a savage.
Wait, you move one hand?
Yeah, I'm a savage.
Why are you moving this hand for?
Because that's the wall, kind of.
This is a wall?
That's how people do the wall.
I thought the wall
I do like this.
Oh, so...
But other people do like this.
Oh, okay, come on.
I'm a savage. Spin around. Classy.
Bougie.
Bougie.
Let me do that.
How you do that? How you do that? Okay, so put your arms here.
Yeah.
And then 1.
Wait. Why you do that? Wait. My body can't move like that. Hold on.
1, 2. Here.
Wait, go on. Bro, I ain't getting stuck when you go so fast.
Okay.
Come on.
I'm a savage. Clap. Classy.
Wait.
So it's better to step like classy, bougie. Okay, look. Go in front. Like classy, bougie.
Oh, so you go
Classy.
Oh shit.
Just dip. Wait. Dip. Do like this. Dip.
Bro, I ain't gonna do that extra shit.
Okay. Classy. So it's like.
Oh, no.
Okay.
Oh, no.
Okay. Yeah, baby.
Come on.
Okay.
Sad shit.
What? This is not side chick. You did not say side chick. It's not a side chick. Okay.
Sad shit.
Come on. Savage. Classy.
Damn.
Go on, one more time. Come on.
Come on.
I'm a savage. That goes faster though. I'm a savage. Classy, bougie.
Bro, I can't get that part, bro.
This is not gonna work. Classy,
Oh.
bougie. Classy, bougie. And then you just turn to the side. Wait. I'm savage.
Gay.
Classy, bougie, nasty, or something ratchet or something like that. So you just
Boom, right.
boom,
Boom.
boom, boom. There you go.
Yeah.
Boom, boom.
Yeah. That's
Okay, that's that game.
Gay.
Okay, I'm a savage. Turn around.
Wait, do you move two angles? Move one.
I'm a savage.
Oh, so
You can if you want to, but
okay.
it's savage.
Come on.
I'm a savage. Clap. Classy, bougie, ratchet. Acting, moody. So you do here, here. I don't know how to do that really good. Just do it here. Okay, I'm a savage. Classy, bougie, ratchet. Acting, so you hit acting, moody. What's the other one?
You asking me?
Yeah.
I know. Who are you asking me like I'm supposed to know?
Oh my god. Oh, it's nasty. Okay.
You gotta read it right there.
I'm good. So, I'm a savage.
Wait, you didn't even do this. Oh, so they don't do that.
Because it goes fast, so
Oh, so you just say this.
I'm a savage. Boom.
Boom. Whooshy. Richie.
Right.
Like that, right?
Yeah.
So I got it like this.
Yeah. You thought. Okay, I'm a savage. Clap. Classy, bougie, ratchet. Acting, moody, nasty.
Wait, what? Who can do that?
Nasty. Just throw it back.
Nah, hell nah.
Just throw it back. Ah! Just nasty.
And then what is after that?
Acting, booty, nasty. Acting, stupid.
See, I didn't know the rest of this.
So acting, so you just do an X. Acting, stupid, but you gotta go in stupid. What's happening? Shake. What's happening?
You already lost me already, bro.
Really?
You already lost me already, bro. Nah, I was keeping up, but the reason why I say you lost me because when we start over, then I'm like, what?
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so from here, acting, moody, nasty. Acting, stupid, what's happening? What's happening? I'm a savage. Now let's see you do it all together.
Huh? That ain't gonna work, bro.
Okay, go.
Do me, come on.
1, 2, 3. I'm a savage. Clap. Classy, bougie, ratchet. Acting, moody, nasty. Acting, stupid, what happened?
See, after that, now I'm lost after that.
So it's acting, stupid. Do it, baby. Acting, stupid, what's happening? Shake. What's happening? Boom.
Oh, wait. So you did this one time?
Yeah.
So it's not this and this?
No. So it's once.
Once and then what after
So
that?
you're basically making an 8.
Okay, so after that, come on.
So what's
Boom.
happening? Boom. Here.
Make it go so slow, bro.
So you can see it.
Alright, come on.
So here,
Mhm.
here.
Oh.
Savage. Oh my God, this boy.
Alright, come on.
Are you ready?
Yeah, come on. I'm ready. You put the music, bro.
Okay.
Music, bro. I got this, bro.
He got it, y'all.
I got it, bro.
Hey, so you back. I'm a savage. Classy,
Damn, that was fast as a bitch.
sassy, nasty. Acting stupid. What was happening? I'm a savage.
I got it.
He tried it.
Bro, that was faster than what I thought.
Okay, guys, so we're about to officially do it for my TikTok. Are you ready?
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
Maybe. What if I say yes, you say no?
On my TikTok. Okay, guys, if y'all want to see the official video, which y'all are going to see because it's going to be in the video, or should I tell me go ahead and go to my TikTok, or should I put it in here?
It's gonna be in both.
Both?
Yeah.
Okay.
But go to TikTok first.
Go to my TikTok after y'all watch this and like my. Alright guys, if you all like this Dan Savage TikTok dance tutorial, go ahead and like this video, subscribe to the channel, comment in the comment section below. Also, don't forget to go to my TikTok. It's going to be in the description below. Go to my TikTok and add me. We love you. We are praying for everybody during this quarantine, this outbreak and all that stuff. If you got anything you want to say.
Like or subscribe, man, because we're going over all 2020, man. I know 2020 started off that good, but hey, the grind don't stop, won't stop. Appreciate a lot of support from you guys, and yeah, that's enough for me.
Peace.